What's up, guys? It's your boy Max here. We've got Jorge the watermelon. I'm trying the reverse Jorge, and I put quite a few rubber bands on him, but he's not budging. So I'm hoping at the end of this round of rubber bands, he'll burst open. But I don't know if I'm doing it right. I don't know what to expect, but let's do it. For another round of rubber bands. I feel like Jorge is being really stubborn because that's like 5 packages. I'll be right back. I'm really hoping it'll pop soon. I'm reaching the breaking point. This is good. Oh no. Oh, it's splitting. Oh my gosh. It just split. It literally just split down the middle. And it didn't even pop. What? What? No, tell me. Tell me like how. How did it split right here? I don't know if it's gonna pop if I keep putting more on. Okay. I never would have saw that coming though. I would have thought it would just all pop at the same time. Okay, it's slowly moving.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my goodness! That was incredible! Oh my god! It was... Oh my god! Yo! It was... Oh! Oh man! Okay. So we've got the rubber band ball over there. All of the watermelon, my hat flew off. We gotta get a taste test.
I think I made it better by popping it open.
Oh my gosh! Okay. Here it is right here. This was like 6 packages. This was insane. Like, look at that. This was pretty incredible, but I'm gonna have to clean up a lot. I hope watermelon doesn't stain, but I think we're done here.